Attention all car enthusiasts and large families. Have you been on the hunt for the perfect SUV that can comfortably fit 8 passengers and all your gear? Look no further because we've got you covered with the most exciting SUV releases of 2023 to 2024. Whether you're a family of 8 or just love having extra space for friends and luggage, these SUVs are guaranteed to impress. And we're not just talking about boring, bulky people carriers, we're talking about sleek and stylish machines that will turn heads on the road. In this episode, we'll take you through the top 5 SUVs with 8 seats that have just hit the market. From luxurious interiors to advanced technology, we'll show you everything you need to know to decide on your next family car. So buckle up and get ready to be blown away by these impressive 8-seaters. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more thrilling car-related content from Jade. Let's hit the road and discover the top 5 8-seater SUVs of 2023 to 2024. 2023 GMC Yukon. Our top pick on the list is the 2023 GMC Yukon. It is a family SUV that comes in 2 sizes, with the long wheelbase Yukon XL providing even more space for all your cargo needs. Starting at $59,295, the Yukon has powerful V8 engines that are available in 5.3-liter or 6.2-liter varieties, along with a turbo diesel 3.0-liter inline-6 that delivers an impressive 460 pound-feet of torque for those who need to tow heavy loads. When it comes to performance, the Yukon doesn't disappoint. With its 10-speed automatic transmission, rear or all-wheel drive options, and an off-road at-4 model, this SUV can easily handle any terrain. It's also the only SUV in its class that offers GM's Super Cruise hands-free driving highway mode as an option. Moving on to its interior, the Yukon has spacious accommodations for up to 8 passengers, allowing it to switch to second-row captain's chairs for a more comfortable ride. Moreover, the Denali trims take luxury to the next level with a wood-trimmed dashboard and hand-stitched leather upholstery that exudes sophistication. Hence, you won't like to miss out on this exceptional SUV. Hyundai Palisade. Our second top pick for the best 8-seater SUV on the market is the Hyundai Palisade. Starting at $37,235, the Palisade is an excellent value for families who need a spacious and capable SUV. This SUV has everything from its luxurious cabin to its impressive performance. The Palisade's 3.8-liter V6 engine delivers 291 horsepower through an 8-speed automatic transmission, providing smooth acceleration for a vehicle of this size. With options for both front-wheel and all-wheel drive, it is equipped to handle various driving conditions. But it's not just the performance that sets the Palisade apart. The cabin is spacious, comfortable, and loaded with technology, including a 12.0-inch touchscreen infotainment display, in-dash navigation, and Bluetooth connectivity. In terms of cargo space, it doesn't disappoint either. With all seats folded down, there's a rising 86 cubic feet of space, while still providing plenty of legroom for passengers in all 3 rows. The Palisade is also rated to tow up to 5,000 pounds when equipped with a dealer-installed trailer hitch, making it a great choice for those who need to haul heavy loads. Overall, the Hyundai Palisade is a top contender in the 8-seater SUV market, offering a winning combination of performance, technology, and comfort. 2023 Chevrolet Traverse. With a starting price of $35,915, this third pick on the list is a real value proposition for anyone looking for a comfortable and practical ride. The 2023 Chevrolet Traverse has a 3.6-liter V6 engine that produces a solid 310 horsepower, mated to a smooth-shifting 9-speed automatic transmission. Despite its size, this SUV delivers a surprisingly agile and athletic ride. The interior is equally impressive, offering spacious accommodations for up to 8 passengers, with a third row big enough for adults. The Chevy Traverse comes in 5 different trim levels, with the base LS model offering a long list of standard features, including LED headlights, driver assistance technology, and Sirius XM radio. Regarding cargo space, the Traverse outshines its rivals with enough room to haul 6 carry-on suitcases behind the third row. Fold down the second and third row seats, and you get a cavernous cargo hold that can accommodate even the biggest hauls. The infotainment system is user-friendly and features a high-mounted touchscreen, along with plenty of USB ports and standard wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto capability. Overall, the Chevrolet Traverse is a top contender in the mid-size SUV segment, and I highly recommend it for families looking for a reliable and spacious ride. 2023 Chevrolet Suburban. Chevy Suburban, the king of full-size SUVs. With seating for up to 8 passengers, you won't have to leave anyone behind. The base model comes with a 355 horsepower V8 engine, but you can upgrade to a 420 gas V8 or even a 277 inline-6 turbo diesel engine. Starting at $59,095, the Suburban is a top contender in the full-size SUV market. It has a 10-speed automatic transmission. You'll never have to worry about a rough ride. Not only is the Suburban big on power, but it's also big on space. With 20 cubic feet of cargo space, you can easily store all your gear for a weekend camping trip. Even if you need even more space, simply fold down the third row of seats for an additional 10 cubic feet. But the Suburban isn't just about size, it's also about comfort. With an available air suspension, you can enjoy a smooth ride no matter the terrain. And the 10.2-inch touchscreen infotainment system makes it easy to control the climate and navigation. The Suburban is also no slouch when it comes to towing. With a max towing capacity of 8,300 pounds when properly equipped, you can easily tow your boat or trailer to your next destination. 2024 Toyota Highlander. Our fifth pick on the list is the 2024 Toyota Grand Highlander, which is a stretched version of the popular Highlander SUV. It features 3 powertrain options, including a turbocharged 2.4-liter 4-cylinder, a standard hybrid, and a powerful Hybrid Max variant with 362 horsepower. The hybrid model is expected to achieve an impressive 34 combined rating. The Grand Highlander is offered in XLA, Limited, and Platinum trims, with the XLE being the entry-level model. It comes well-equipped with features such as power-adjustable heated front seats, a 12.3-inch infotainment touchscreen, and a suite of driver assistance features. The estimated prices for the Toyota Highlander models range from $43,000 for the XLE to $56,000 for the Platinum Hybrid Max. The Grand Highlander's interior has a more symmetrical dashboard design, and the third row offers ample space for adults with the option for either an 8 or 7 passenger configuration. All models come with a 12.3-inch infotainment touchscreen running Toyota's latest software interface and a wireless smartphone charging pad. Overall, the 2024 Toyota Grand Highlander is an excellent choice for families who need extra space and want a reliable, well-equipped, and efficient SUV. And there you have it, a sneak peek at the best SUVs with 8 seats, 2023 to 2024 release. We hope you found this video informative and exciting. If you want to stay up to date with the latest news, reviews, and analysis on all the top car brands, don't forget to subscribe to our Car Jade. We are dedicated to bringing you the most comprehensive coverage of the top car brands. And for even more exclusive content, make sure to check out our website at carjade.com. From in-depth articles to informative videos, we've got everything you need to stay on top of the exciting world of cars. Subscribe to Car Jade today, and don't forget to hit that like button and leave a comment below to let us know what you think.